Imagine hosting a summer barbecue, cocktails chilling, and guests raving about the endless supply of perfect ice cubes. This Silonn Ice Maker Countertop transforms this vision into reality, delivering 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This portable, self-cleaning ice machine is a game-changer for home kitchens, camping trips, RVs, and small offices. After weeks of testing, I'm thrilled to share why this compact powerhouse deserves a spot in your life. Ready to ditch store-bought ice bags and elevate your hosting game? Let's dive into this portable ice machine review and uncover its magic. Why the Silonn Ice Maker stands out. The Silonn Ice Maker Countertop isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're a busy parent, a party host, or an outdoor enthusiast, this portable ice maker solves the age-old problem of running out of ice. Its sleek design, rapid ice production, and user-friendly features make it a must-have. Here's why it's creating a buzz among homeowners and adventurers alike. Solving your ice woes. Ever dashed to the store mid-party for ice? Or struggled with slow, clunky freezer trays? The Silonn Ice Maker eliminates these hassles. With a 26 pounds per day production capacity, it ensures you're never short on ice. Its self-cleaning ice maker feature keeps maintenance low, so you can focus on enjoying your chilled drinks. Perfect for spontaneous gatherings or planned events, this machine delivers convenience at lightning speed. Key features and benefits. Lightning-fast ice production. Produces 9 ice cubes in 6 minutes, up to 26 pounds daily, perfect for parties or daily use. 2 ice cube sizes. Choose small cubes for quick chilling, great for sodas or seafood, or large cubes for cocktails and slow-melting needs. Self-cleaning function. A 30-minute cleaning cycle, activated with a 5-second button press, ensures fresh, odor-free ice. Portable design. At 13.7 pounds with a carry handle, it's ideal for home, kitchen, camping, RV adventures, or office use. Quiet operation. Runs at a whisper-quiet 35 dB, so it won't disrupt conversations or relaxation. Compact footprint. Fits on any countertop, kitchen island, or desk without hogging space. Smart indicators. Lights alert you when the water tank needs refilling or the ice basket is full, preventing overflows. These features make the Silonn a versatile companion for any setting, from cozy home kitchens to rugged outdoor adventures. Performance in action. Testing the Silonn Ice Maker was a delight. During a weekend camping trip, it kept our cooler stocked with ice for drinks and food preservation. The 9 cubes in 6 minutes claim held true, with each cycle delivering consistent, crystal-clear bullet ice. The large cubes were a hit for whiskey sipped around the campfire, while the small cubes cooled sodas instantly without diluting them. Back home, I used it for a family game night. The 1.3-pound storage capacity meant we had plenty of ice for multiple rounds of drinks, and the 1.2L water tank minimized refills. The machine's quiet hum blended into the background, unlike louder appliances that can kill the vibe. Even in my small apartment kitchen, its compact size didn't cramp my style. The self-cleaning function is a lifesaver. After a week of heavy use, I ran the cleaning cycle and the process was effortless. Just add water, press the button, and wait. The ice tasted fresh every time, with no plastic aftertaste reported by some users after initial cleaning. Who is this ice maker for? The Silonn Ice Maker is perfect for home entertainers, ideal for hosting barbecues, parties, or game nights where ice is in high demand. Outdoor enthusiasts, campers and RV travelers who need portable, reliable ice on the go. Small office workers, great for break rooms or desks where space is limited but cold drinks are a must. Families, busy households needing quick ice for daily meals, kids' drinks, or impromptu gatherings. Health-conscious users, those using ice for smoothies, cold therapy, or food preservation. If you value convenience, portability, and efficiency, this portable ice machine is tailored for you. Pros and cons. No product is perfect, but the Silonn Ice Maker comes close. Here's a balanced look. Pros. Blazing fast ice production, 9 cubes in 6 minutes. Lightweight and portable with a sturdy carry handle. Self-cleaning feature saves time and ensures hygiene. Quiet operation suits noise-sensitive environments. Compact size fits any space, from kitchens to RVs. Cons: no insulation to keep ice frozen for extended periods. Initial setup may require a cleaning cycle to eliminate any plastic taste. Basket capacity 1.3 pounds, may fill quickly during large events. The pros far outweigh the cons, making this countertop ice maker a reliable choice for most users. Real-world scenarios. Picture this. You're hosting a summer pool party, and the cooler is running low on ice. With the Silonn, you're back in action in minutes, serving chilled lemonade without a hitch. Or imagine an RV road trip through the desert. Your portable ice maker keeps your drinks frosty. No gas station stops required. Even in a cramped office, this machine delivers ice for your team's iced coffee breaks without cluttering the space. Why buy now? The Silonn Ice Maker Countertop is more than an appliance. It's a ticket to hassle-free hydration and entertainment. Its blend of speed, portability, and ease of use makes it a top contender in the countertop ice machine market. With over 100,000 satisfied customers and trending popularity, it's a proven performer. Don't wait for the next heat wave or party panic to realize you need this game changer. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.